Guys, I Ashgi welcome you all to News 47 Media. Today we are going to talk about value of time. Time is precious in everyone's life. We should not waste time in any way. Likewise, we can earn the amount of money we spend, but we can never get back the time we have lost. However, this makes our time more valuable than money. Hence, we must utilize our time in the most possible effective way. Time is one of the most valuable and priceless things in this universe. Also, we should utilize our time for ourselves and our loved ones. We should also use the time for the good of other people around us. This helps us and the society to grow towards a superior tomorrow. Moreover, we should teach our kids the importance and the value of time. Also, wasting time will result in regretting afterwards for misusing or wasting time. For utilizing time fully and effectively, we must study some points that can help us in our whole life ahead. The best and effective utilization of the time includes setting goals, preparing work lists, prioritizing tasks, and taking sufficient sleep, and various other factors are also there. For the best use of the time, we should set long and short term goals. The long term and the short term goals will help us in being productive and time saver. Moreover, they will help us as a driving force that will continuously motivate us. Also, increases and generates a willingness to accomplish various things in our life. Firstly, it will feel like an uninteresting task, but later, when we will be doing it regularly, then we will understand that it only helps us in increasing our productivity. Ultimately, this forces us to achieve more in our life. Being productive does not mean that we have to involve ourselves in multiple tasks every time. Taking the proper amount of sleep and exercising is also a part of being healthy as well as productive. Besides, appropriate exercise and sleep maintain a balance between the body and the mind that is very necessary for being productive and efficient in life. Most people do not realize how valuable time is until they lose it. Besides, there are so many people in the world who prioritize money over time. This is because, according to many of us, time is nothing. But they don't realize the fact that the time provides them the opportunity and chance to get the money. Apart from this, time has given us wealth and happiness. Moreover, on the contrary, time also gives us sorrow and unhappiness. In ancient time, many kings proclaimed that they are the ruler of their age, but they usually forget that they have time in a limited amount. But the time is the only thing in this universe that is limitless and can go up to infinity. Time can either make you a king or a beggar in just a span of seconds. Thank you for being listening, and I will come back with such more kind of videos. Till then, keep watching News 47.